Word automatically maintains a set of properties for each document that you create. As part of those properties, you can include summary information about the document. Here's how to create and print that information. Word allows you to maintain summary information for your documents, along with the properties it automatically maintains. You set this information by clicking the File tab of the ribbon, and then we're going to choose Info. Now over here we use the drop-down list for Properties and choose Advanced Properties. Here within this dialog box, we just display the Summary tab. And we can set any of the summary information we want within this dialog box. When you're done setting the summary information, just go ahead and click OK. Now you can go back to your document, and if you want to print the summary information, you can do so quite easily. We just press Ctrl P, which takes us to the back office area where we can set the printing options. And using the drop-down list that's right underneath the word Settings, we would go ahead and choose Document Info. Now nothing changed here at the print preview at the side, but because we've selected Document Info, that's all that's going to be printed when we actually print this document, when we click on the print button right up here. The printout that's created by this isn't terribly elegant in its formatting or anything else like that, but it will work quite nicely as an information sheet for a document that you might print. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the WordTips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.